I'll be targeting. Let me put 800 today. Yeah, today did not trade because I wanted us to do it together. So martingale, you set a martingale depending on the market you're trading, okay? Yeah, and then your prediction. Always ensure this tick is 1. Always ensure you confirm your contract type, your volatility, and your prediction. Those 3, if one of them is a miss, you can be in deep trouble, right? Guys, I think, okay, run our bots. I can see the market has moved up. Okay, let us run. Run your bots. If your bot is ready, run it, all right? Run that bot. I've already started. Let me show you. I've already started. Run your bots, guys. The market is good. Now let me analyze here. The market is good, guys. Run those bots. Run your bot. Run your bot. You are moving well. Run your bot. Let us, yeah, we do 20 runs and then we stop. If the market is still good, we'll continue. Yeah, but the market is moving up. Run those. Okay, the market there has moved a bit hectic, okay? But it's okay. As long as you have a good account, you'll be able to recover easily, all right? And that's why I told you guys, a good account helps a lot. You're never in a lot of stress, okay? Yeah, because recovery is never an issue at any given time, okay? Yeah, 15. Okay, we are moving well. So, yeah, we'll stop at 20. So far, we are at 15 runs. Yeah, we just go slowly. I hope you are running your bots also. So 4 more runs. I lost there again. Those times there is the loss, but it's okay. The bot has recovered. All right. Yeah, that is why I say have a good bot. Okay, it will save you from a lot of stress. Boom. And just like that, you have hit 340.47 United States dollars. Okay. As you can see, 17 won, only 3 lost. For those who want to see proof of the bots I actually have, here it is, and it is on the official platform. This is not a third-party website that I'm trading on. This is the official Deriv.com platform. Okay. So there we are at 340.47, which is a good amount. Okay, it's a really, really good amount. Yeah, so as you can see, we have been able to recover our losses. Yeah, so yeah, over one is a good trade type, all right? The risk is manageable. The profit is a bit nice, okay? Because it is 23%. A 23% profit is not a small amount. It is a good one, okay? Yeah, so there it is. Yeah, so I hope for some of you have traded with me, guys. If you reach 20 runs, please stop your bot. And I'll be telling you why. When you reach 20 runs, please stop your bot. The reason for this is because most bots from 0 to 20 runs, they're usually very effective, very nice performing, very effective. But anytime you tend now to go to 29 runs, 30, 40, 50, 60, the effectiveness of the bot usually starts to dwindle, all right? Yeah, so when it comes to your bot, just do 20 runs, stop it. If the market is still good, continue running it, all right? And just like that, all right? 20 runs at a time. Okay, let us run our bots. Run your bots. I've already started. Let me show you. I've already started on my side, okay? We are trading volatility 25-1S. Volatility 25-1S, you are trading under 8, okay? 25-1S under 8. Let me confirm if they've set the correct volatility. Yeah. All right, you're moving well. We are at 6 runs. You're still going strong. 25-1S under 8. Okay, when you incur a loss, it's okay. As long as the market is good, let the bot do its thing. Okay, as you can see, it has recovered. We are trading 25-1S under 8. We're still pushing. And I'm doing my trades on the official platform, not a third-party website. Okay? Yeah, your trades should only be executed on the official Deriv.com website. Please, website, okay? Avoid any third-party website for trading purposes, okay? Use them for analysis. Okay, so guys, we are at 13 runs. We are still going 14. We are going at 14 runs. Okay, 15. We'll stop at 20. We'll stop at 20. Yeah, and then we call it a day. Okay. All right, 2 more. All right, 1 more, we stop. 1 more, the last one. Boom. 20 runs in. Once again, 300. Now, guys, you can see these bots are very consistent, okay? For the first run we did, we incurred 17, 1, 3 lost. The same, okay? So as I told you guys, these are high performance bot. A bot that ensures your trades are executed in the best, as long as you have done proper analysis, okay? Again, if you have a good bot and you are not good at analysis, losses will follow you, okay? So you have to ensure you're good at both. So as you can see, we encountered a loss, but the bot recovered well, okay? Again, we suffered a loss somewhere here, and the bot also recovered. Yeah, as you can see, a loss here, and the bot recovered. So that is 371. So if that is 340 plus 371. In fact, let me convert this and see how much this is. Let me convert. No, let me look it up. No, let me search with Google. Yeah, so you can see it's not a bad amount, okay? Especially if, considering this live has only been here for 1 hour. So guys, put energy into binary, all right? Put energy. Do not listen to anyone who says negative things about it. Put your energy into learning it, understanding it, practice it, and eventually you'll be here, okay? So if I had today we have been cut 340 USD plus 371. I don't know how much that is. That is about 340 plus 371. That is about 711. If I come and convert, now let me show you the power of binary, all right? So today on my side I've made 711, okay? 711 USD to shillings, that is, imagine, okay? So I know most of us, you have started binary because you have different goals, every time you feel like you're about to give up in binary or trading, remind yourself why you started it, and remind yourself where you want to go, okay?